Hi friends, welcome to SSC Electrical. In this video, I am going to provide SSC JEE last year question papers for coming SSC JEE exam. See here, this is for SSC JEE 2021 exam. Okay, SSC JEE 2021 exam, as the exam is very near and we can prepare as per the previous papers. See here. So here I am providing 4 previous question papers. Based on this, you can analyze what kind of questions they are giving in exam and how to prepare for that exam. You can know that. Okay, see here. This is one of the previous question paper. See here, you can observe the questions. Total 4 question papers I will provide, and those links I will give in the description. You can go through it. And one of the question paper I will discuss you, and what kind of questions they are asking I will show you. Just you can observe this. And in the following question, there will be a 200 questions and 200 marks. There will be a 200 questions and 200 marks. And the time limit is 120 minutes. That is 2 hours time will be given. Okay, 2 hours time will be given, and 200 questions and 200 marks. Okay, see here what kind of questions they are actually giving. You can observe here. As you know that there is a 3 section, that is general awareness section, general awareness section, and general intelligence and reasoning section, general intelligence and reasoning section. These 2 are total 100 marks, and for technical session, that is 100 marks. Okay, you can observe what kind of questions they are giving. See here, for example, so car, tire, and after that what kind of words you will get. Okay, see here, tire is a part of car. Analogy, this is tire is a part of car, similar to which one? That is room is similar to, room is a part of house. So this is the correct answer. Room is a part of house. So like that, this kind of questions will be given. And in this triangle, figure, car is what? Triangle is what? Triangle is a figure. Car is what? Car is nothing but a vehicle. So car is vehicle, we can say here vehicle. So like this you can answer. And next one, hour, minutes. Okay, hour related to minutes, kilometer related to meters. So this is the correct answer. So very easy questions will be given, and very easy 50 general intelligence and reasoning questions will be given, 50 general awareness questions will be given. So very easy questions will be given if you prepare the previous questions, and based on that only you will get the more number of questions. Okay, so very easy questions given. You need not prepare in depth for general intelligence and reasoning. Very easy questions will be given. Regarding general awareness, you have to prepare current affairs and GK and geography, polity and history kind of subjects you have to prepare. You can roughly see the what kind of questions they are giving. Just I will read the questions, you can observe it. And the following question, select the related letters from the given alternatives, LS, HO, TQ, and after that what you will get. And next one, analogy kind only, this one also. And next, what kind of questions given, you can observe that. Next, in the following question, select the odd word from the given alternatives. They will give you some questions, and after that which one is the odd one you have to choose. Hand, legs, lungs, ear. Which is a odd one? That is the lungs is the inner part. So like that we have to choose. And in the following question, select the odd word from the given alternative. Same kind of, same model. Select the odd word. And next, select the odd letter. Select the odd letter. Same kind of model. Select the odd letter. Next also odd letter only. Next odd number. And in the following question, select the odd number pair. And next you can see, according to dictionary, which of the following word will come at the second position. Very very important model, and most of the times more number of questions will be given on this in every exam. And according to dictionary, you have to write in order. That's it. Which one will comes in the second position you have to write. Out of these 5, you can choose which one is coming first. E, A, R. R is coming first. So third one is coming first. Second one, which one will come? After R, what you will get? After R, which one? Choose. After that, this one only there. The ear mark is the second position. So like that you can choose the correct answer. Okay. And next question also is same dictionary only. Based on the dictionary order, you have to write which one comes on the last position. You have to write from the given alternatives. According to dictionary, which word will come at the last position. Okay. And there is the given words and the sequence in which occur in the dictionary. So very easy questions, most of them. So like that you have to answer. And next some series given, and after that which letter will come you have to choose. And if you prepare previous papers, most of the questions for general intelligence and reasoning can be covered, and you can get the maximum score. This model also you can observe this. In certain code language, 2579 means nice bow and arrow. 3457 mean healthy and nice and fruit, and 8721 means how to nice king. Find the code for bow. So this kind of, based on this given relation, you have to obtain the relation for next number. Okay, next one. And this is also another repetitive model. You can see in certain code language, plus represents minus, and minus represents into, and into represents divided by, and divided by represents plus. Find out the answer to the following question. And same in this case, what you have to write, 100 into 5 given, into represents what, into represents divided by, so you have to write divided by here, and plus represents what, plus represents minus, so instead of plus we have to write minus, and in place of minus what is given, and minus represents into, so instead of minus you have to write into. So like that you have to replace this symbols, and you have to solve this, and which option is suitable you have to answer that. Okay, hope you understood. Next one also, based on the given relation you have to answer the given question. Okay, and this is another repetitive model. If A hash B, see $A means A is daughter of B, so A hash B means A is brother of B. So like this, $A means A is daughter, means here dollar is nothing but a daughter, hash is nothing but a brother. Like that you have to understand, and you have to answer the final question whatever they are giving. $P$Q star R hash yes mean, you can answer that. Okay, next one. This one also you can see 178 given, 459 given, 410, what you will get by directly looking at that you can easily tell 459 he is giving, so just adding 178 is giving, so 410 14 you will get like that. Okay, so like the series will be given, what will come next you can understand. So this one also very repetitive model. A plane takes off and flies 30 km south, and it turns east and flies 10 km, then it turns to left, flies 25 km, then it turns, flies 10 km. So east to west, the directions, based on the directions, if you draw some diagram, and you can easily get the answer for this. So like that you can answer the question from general intelligence. Based on syllogism also they will give you a question, and all cotton is cloth, all cotton is shirts, and some cotton is woven. So this kind of questions also will be covered, and moreover based on die also they will ask you the questions. So they will give you one die, and which is coming opposite to 5, or which is coming opposite to this star, like that they will ask you. Okay, which one is opposite to that. And this one also repetitive model, that is which one of the following Venn diagram represents a relation between the mothers, nurse, engineers. So based on this Venn diagrams also they will ask you the questions, and they will ask you a question based on paper folding also. After folding the paper it is appearing like this. If you cut these two pieces, how it appears after the opening of that, they will ask you. You have to observe as per the given options. And mirror also asked. Okay, mirror image also asked. They are placing a mirror here in the MN place, and what will appear in the mirror. Okay, they are placing here the diagram, and what will appear in the mirror they will ask you. Okay, whatever it is appearing near to mirror, that will reflect here. So based on that you can choose the options. It is straight, they will get the straight line. So 2 is the correct answer. So whatever it is appearing near to this line, that is vertical line is there, no, that line same appears like that. So like that you can answer. Okay, mirror image questions also asking, paper folding questions also asking. And matrix, very important model, in every exam they will give you matrix model also, they will give you the questions. In detail I will discuss in the coming videos, and just I am showing you what kind of questions they are giving. Okay, you can observe that question paper. And general awareness, just roughly you see which of the following is not a part of the non-plane expenditure of central government. And current affair question they will ask you regarding this. The percentage of decadal growth of population of India during 2001 to 2011 as per census. 2011 census is very important, and you have to prepare accordingly. And 50 general awareness and intelligence questions will be given. From the polity also they will give you regarding articles. and geography also you have to prepare. And mostly if you cover general intelligence and reasoning and technical section, you will get the maximum score, and after finishing that you can prepare for general awareness section and current affairs. This is regarding history. The Chinese pilgrim who visited the India in the 6th century was, like that you can prepare that. Okay, Singh. And after this they will give you 100 technical questions, and those questions also. And now technical section they will give you 100 questions roughly. You see the EMF induced in DC generator armature winding is AC, and the next question also you can see, and in an auto transformer part of energy transferred is through conduction process. Like that there will be 100 questions. In detail I will discuss in coming videos, just I am showing you roughly. And these PDFs I will give in the description, you can download that. I will give you 4 PDFs, that is 4 last year previous papers I will give you, and after preparing that you can get an idea what kind of questions they usually ask in the exam. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.